Hey guys, this is Dave Smith coming at you live with some more how-to on Google Hangouts on Air. Prior to this video, we did one that showed you how to broadcast a live event on Google Hangouts. And this is actually an extension of that video. So if you've already seen that video, there might be about 6.5 minutes in the middle here that you could stream right through, get past, so you can get to the embed code part. That's right. Today's video is about embedding code, which is the actual Hangout video, if you will, the same one that plays on YouTube or on your Google Plus page. That same video, you're able to embed that on any website that you have access to. We're going to use a blog post to show you how to do that. Stay tuned. Okay, let's jump right into this. We're going to show you how to do a Hangout on Air, a Google Hangout on Air, to where you can broadcast it so other people can see what you're involved in. So you got an event at your home office or in your front room, or you got an event at a hotel or a big conference center, something like that. I've done it many times. It used to be that I had to pay for some services that were quite expensive, monthly and upfront as well, to get the live streaming events done. But now, Google Hangout is free. You just need a Google Plus account and you can set up a Google Hangout on Air. It's a public on-air event when you do this. So let's use this as the scenario. You're at a hotel meeting and you need to broadcast that hotel meeting to your team, so the ones that can't be there get to see what you're experiencing there at the live event. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to open up a live Google Hangout on Air. So I am on my Google Plus account. Scroll down here to Hangouts. Click on Hangouts. And here's all the Hangouts that are live going on right this very second. They're going on all the time. And I want to start a Hangout on Air. So I click Start a Hangout on Air. I give it a name, and I can tell people what it is. This is actually a test, so let's throw test in there. And I can schedule it for later. So let's say that the event starts at 7 o'clock tonight. So I can start it at 7 o'clock tonight. The duration of the event can be up to 8 hours long nowadays, which is incredible. It used to be only 4 hours. Now it's clear up to 8 hours. So you choose the duration of the event, and you can change the circles that you want to use here. I've got all kinds of circles that I can plug in. Maybe it's my own team, my business partners. I click that. Maybe I did want to go to the public, so I can go back up and click public, and that's going to be everybody that wants to see this can see this. It's going to be listed over here in the Hangout. So you just simply, I'm going to click now so I can start it now. Click share. It's going to populate here and it's going to get ready to start. So what happens is it creates a live event broadcast page. So this page can be shared with anybody you want to share it with, and they can watch it live from this website. It also is going to go live on your YouTube account if you have a YouTube account connected to your Google Plus account. So the way I do this, if I'm the one starting the event, I click Start, and it brings up this screen right here. And do I want to require guests to be 18 or older? No, so I skip that. And it's getting ready to go. So you can see right here it's kind of getting ready to go. It's at 17% now. It says off air still. So it's just getting ready. It's building up the broadband or whatever you want to call that stuff. I don't have a clue. But it's just getting ready to go live. And I have many tools over here that I can deal with. I have some settings that I can set up a default microphone. Default microphone is my built-in microphone. I can use an input if I want. Default speakers, I can do all kinds of stuff. Right now I'm using my Mac, FaceTime, but if I was going to use a webcam you can purchase anywhere from $40 to $200 or $300. This one here was about a $100 webcam, a Logitech 1080. It's a high def 1080. It's a nice one for about $100. So if I wanted to use this, I could plug it into my computer and tell this right here to grab my Logitech, but it doesn't see it there because I'm not plugged in. So if you really want to be good at this, get yourself a little tripod and a webcam, or you can even hook it on the back side of your computer and shoot it away from you like that. And these have some really nice speakers. I've actually broadcast in rooms, huge rooms with 300 to 1,000 people in them, and I get about 30 feet back of stage, and I hook this up, and I can hear the speakers from the event through the actual speakers that are on the sides of the walls and up high. You can really hear everything really well here. I don't even mic the speakers up. I just grab the sound straight from the stage as if the people were sitting in the audience with me. So that works really well. I've also turned my computer around and face the stage. So like this, you turn your computer around and face the stage, and the webcam right here and the regular mic that's hooked into my Mac, it actually worked pretty well. Last year I did one, and there was approximately 1,200 people watching the live stream, the Hangout, at their own homes and places. People were, in rooms with 30 people here, 40 people there, 2 or 3 people in this front room, that kind of stuff. So you can do it any way you want. Hopefully that helps you. So we have the Hangout live. I just simply click Start Broadcast. Once I click Start Broadcast, it's going to go live and people can see it on my Google Plus page right here. They can actually see it right here. You could also give them your YouTube channel, different things like that. You can share the event through this page right here. There's ways to copy a URL and share that URL. In fact, let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is where you get the embed code, right over here. You've started your Google Hangout and you're just about getting ready to go to broadcast. We haven't started broadcasting yet, so nobody's watching us, but I have this embed code right over here. Click on links. This is where I can share the event page. This is the actual Google Plus event page. You can email that to folks and chat that over to folks and they can watch it live there. The YouTube link's right here, but what we're talking about on this video is the embed code. So you simply click on that, it highlights it, and you copy it. Right click, copy, or you do the Command C, however you do your copy. You just copy that code that's right in that box. Once you have that, you go to your website that you're going to embed the video box on, okay? So if you know how to do websites, you probably already know how to do this. If you don't, let's use a blog because that's going to be the easiest thing for you to do. Here's a blog that I'm going to write a new post on. So I'm going to click over here. Here's the post, add new post. It's as simple as this. Here's the title. This is going to be broadcasting live event, right? So you just title it however you want to title it. And you simply, inside of your blog post here, you click on text so that we can get it. It's more like the source code. When I click on text, it's kind of like clicking on some of those different things that you do on the websites. It says source code. This is the same thing. Text. Click on there. Paste. You can right click and paste or however you do that. And that's as simple as that. Now you can also change the size of the video right here. So if you like to make your video a little bigger on your post, that's fine. Just go over to YouTube and check the different sizes of videos that you can get videos in, and you just make sure you put those different sizes here so that you don't have a real elongated looking video or something like that. What I normally do is 855 on the width. This makes it full width on your page, and 480 on the height. That makes this blog post, the video takes over the whole thing. So that's cool. Now you can do anything you want to do over here to your categories and different things like that. I'm just going to throw it into training blog. Let's put it into training blog and click publish. So this is a post that I'm putting onto a blog, and I can send people the URL. So you see the URL is whatever your blog is plus whatever your title is, and you can edit that and make it smaller. You can get the short link if you have that on your blog, and you just simply copy and paste that. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to open up a new window. I'm going to paste it, and here's the blog post that you can send folks to with a live broadcasting event right there. They click play. It tells them to stand by. It'll go live soon. The reason it's not live yet is because I haven't clicked start broadcast. Hopefully that helped you guys out. That's exactly how you embed a live broadcast onto your blog in a post. If you know websites and you know how to drop embed code on websites, there you have it. It's that easy. Hope that all helped you, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Talk to you soon.